So I just wanted to continue this series here where I talk about YouTube research. And you can see here I built this YT Studio Pro tool to help me with YouTube research. And we can get into all the different features, and I will make videos about all the different features. But nonetheless, I kind of wanted to talk about, let me go ahead and log out here. I kind of wanted to talk about why YouTube research is critically important for me. I've talked about this before, but there's two different types of videos that you can make. A highly shareable piece of content or an SEO-based content. Now, that's not to say that SEO-based content cannot be highly shareable or the vice versa, but basically when you create a video, for example like this one, the intention, the purpose, especially behind the title, you can see that it is purely an SEO-based video. How to install a French drain, right? Why? Because there are people searching for this term every day. This guy, his name is, I guess you could say Morgan, that's his last name. He doesn't title his video, Morgan teaches you how to install a French drain, or Morgan has the best French drain system. He doesn't say anything like that because people are not going to be searching those kind of things. He's very specifically using an SEO-based title. This is called search engine optimization, and personally, because certain niches are much more competitive than others, I use YouTube Studio Pro to help me with that, right? And I'll take a look at all the different types of tools that can help me. For example, the keyword topics beta. I can type in here French drain and hit search, and I'll get data based on the search volume, based on the search demand. I'll get data based on the trend, all these different types of analysis for the keyword French drain. You could see here, the reason why it took so long, it has 1,023 associated words, 513 of them are low competition, and we can see the volumes of these searches. For example, this one has 110,000 searches a month. This one has 24,000, 27,000, 18,000, etc. So what I'm doing here is when I create a video based on the analytics, based on the data, that's called search engine optimization. And this is why I say, for me, analytics is the only thing that makes sense into the future when I create videos. And for me personally, I prioritize SEO. You don't have to prioritize SEO. If you look at Mr. Beast content, and I'll just actually pull up a video of Mr. Beast stuff here. Mr. Beast type of content is not SEO based, right? It's not focused on finding new viewers through search. Okay, so for example, survive 100 days in a trapped private jet, keep it. Nobody's searching this, okay, in search to find this before his video arrived. Now, people might search this because he has such a large platform, right? When they hear from a friend, like they hear, Mr. Beast made a private jet video, people might search Mr. Beast private jet, but only after the video actually pops off or comes out, then people are going to watch it. You understand? So the point here is that there's two different types of content: highly engaged, shareable content and SEO-based content. And the number one rule is to understand that eventually, depending on how well the video performs, the highly engaged content could eventually take on some SEO traffic and vice versa, like I said earlier in this video. However, in this case, okay, we look at all these different keywords. In a situation like this, I can make an educated decision based on the videos that I will make. Does that make sense? Now, for those who are not sure, my goal is never to get a lot of views for a video. I know that might be shocking, but my goal is to get consistent views. So what that means is, I don't care if my video gets 20 views on day one. Although it might be a little bit disheartening, it's not something that's going to break me fully. What happens is what I really desire is if the video just gets an extra 5, 10, 15 views every day. That's what I'm really looking for. And it doesn't have to be 5 or 10. I mean, it could be 200, it could be 500. That's not the point. The point is I want consistently more growth each and every day, because that shows that my research, my work on the analytical side has done some sort of success. Does that make sense? And the reason why I want that is because what that does is it grows my channel for me on autopilot. Anybody who really knows me knows that number one, I like to diversify everything that I do. so that I have no risk associated with what I'm doing. But also, number two, I like to grow things on autopilot. And that is effectively using YouTube's algorithm to grow on autopilot. All right. So that's exactly why I prioritize analytical research for my YouTube videos first before anything else is created. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.